Good morning, guys. So as you look at your assignment for today, it's a little different since there are makeup tests happening today. So you have some independent work. The homework that was assigned on Thursday night, homework 5.8, that is not actually due until Monday, Monday at 7:30. That's right. So you can work on it as you're kind of looking at notes for today. So for today, this is just an introduction video to make sure that you are doing the correct thing in your notes packet. So if you will pull your notes packet out, and let me change my camera. We just finished this page where we prove the quadratic formula. So what you're actually going to spend some time doing today is investigating the quadratic formula. So you're going to work this first page, and it says for you to find the x-intercepts and graph it. And to find the x-intercepts, you are specifically going to do quadratic formula. So you need to do this first page. Okay, so do the second page. Once again, you're using quadratic formula. You're going to use it to draw some conclusions. Okay, you'll do the back of that page, and I'm going to keep going until I tell you where to stop. And the last page that you will do is you will complete the page where x squared minus 4x plus 6 equals 0 is the first problem. So you want to complete until the end of this page. And you're doing investigation. You are making sure you use quadratic formula, and it's going to ask you some questions that you need to make sure that you're answering and taking a look at. So there's no new notes today. You're actually working within your notes to develop some patterns. So it's going to be really important that you make sure that you do these, because that way it will lead you in to what we'll talk about Monday. And have a great weekend, and I'll see you Monday.